Ryan, where's the bulldozer? Can you show me?
Hey, Bud, can you show us where the bulldozer is?
It is. Don't be in.
Yeah. What does a bulldozer do?
It moves the bird.
It moves the dirt?
Oh,
Oh,
that's right.
that's right.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, not for you. No, no. Oh, no, I shouldn't have those in there anyway.
Oh, look.
Oh, look. It's medicine, sweetie.
What is medicine? What is medicine?
There, one more. Thank you. Oh, no. 3 more.
3 more.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Oops.
3 more.
Thanks for helping.
3 more. 3 more.
Oh, jeez.
All 3? All 3?
Yeah, all 3. I'm putting all of them in here. Yeah, you don't need any medicine. Might be nap. You told me? No?
Ryan.
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
boy.
You want some stories?